Today, we decided to start our day with a morning walk after Fajr prayer. It's 6:47 in the morning, and we're ready to go. Our area is surrounded by greenery, and there's nothing quite like a walk in this natural environment to refresh the mind. Morning walks have a unique power. They hold the key to reducing stress. Calmness of nature feels amazing. We decided to head towards the hills for a change. And look at this view. It's absolutely stunning. That's all for this video. Our morning walk has come to an end.